Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to extend your phone's storage in your Gigaset GX6. For that, you want to turn your phone around again and take off the back of it. And then for this one, you also have to take out your battery, and when you took out your battery, you see here you have the SD card slot here. You can put in another SIM here, but we want to put in an SD card. So we're gonna take our SD card and then put it in, and then we need to put in our battery again. Close the whole thing again, and then go back and restart your Gigaset again since you took out the battery. And now first thing, we have to enter our SIM pin again. We took it out, so we need to put it back in again. So if you go to your settings now and go to about the phone and then click on storage, you can see how much storage this device has, and then you can go to send disk SD card, and then you can go to send disk SD card, and this is your SD card you just inserted. So you can choose to use this one and then fully use it. That's how you insert an SD card to your Gigaset GX6. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.